we are going to see about a project called RFID based door lock system. So this is the project of controlling electronic door lock system by means of RFID cards or RFID key fobs. So this is the entire project components, as you can see. So all the components are fixed in this PCB. So it consists of microcontroller board, RFID reader, relay and buzzer. So this is the electronic lock, and we have the 12 volt adapter for powering the entire system. Okay, so this 12 volt will be controlling the solenoid, that is a RFID door lock, electronic door lock, and also this 12 volt is given to the microcontroller board as the power input. So this is then regulated to the 5 volt and controlling the relay, buzzer and RFID systems. And RFID reader will be working on 3.3 voltages since it is MFRC 522. Here we are using the key fobs instead of cards. So key fob will be very easy for keeping the key, that is the RFID keys, fobs in the key chains. So that's why we are using the key fobs. So this is the entire system. So how it works? So when you keep these RFID key fobs in the RFID reader, it will detect the ID. So it will detect the ID of the fob, and then this ID is collected by the microcontroller board and validated for the authorization. So if it has the right ID, the authorization is given and it will activate the relay, and via relay it will activate the door lock. Okay, so if it is a wrong key, that is unauthorized key, automatically the buzzer will be intimating with the long beep. For the authorized keys it will giving the short beep, for unauthorized it will giving the wrong beep. So this is how the entire system works. Okay, so now let us test the system. So now the system is powered. Okay, so now the system is powered. As you can see, the LED is glowing in the microcontroller and RFID reader. The system is powered, and this is the wrong key actually. So wrong key in the sense unauthorized key fob. Okay, I am just keeping the unauthorized key fob in the reader. Okay, it will not open the door. It will give the error by long beeps. If I use the authorized key fobs in the reader, so it will open the door, and again if you keep, it will close the door. So for opening and closing we can use this key fob, and hereby I have given two key fobs, two authorized key fobs for the authorization. So this is how the entire system works. So by using the fobs you can access the door. If some wrong person comes and if the wrong keys comes, the door will not be open. You can keep it in a door or in the safe or somewhere where you need a security. Okay, so only by authorized fobs you can open the door and close the door. So this is how the entire system works. Thanks for watching.